Dan Kano ko PhD gare shi turanci dai wala. Like they know sabi English.
Amma wannan matakin raina muna hankali. Assalamu alaikum jama'a. Aunty, idan kina so ki zage mu Kanawa, ki fito fili ki zage mu. Yes. If you want to insult us, just come out to the public and insult us. How can you be admiring our men at the same time insulting us in the public? Tace away. En Kano, ko PhD ne gare su turanci dai wala, ma'ana turanci babu. Jama'a bari mu karanta mata wani abu. Tace away. The few of them that are in school, they are brilliant. Kansu na kawo wuta. Auntie, can you define the word brilliant? Hello? Can you define the word brilliant? How does that sound to your hearing? How on earth will I be brilliant at the same time not being able to speak a good English? Do you listen to yourself? So, let's just address her. Madam, you need to maintain your position, not a shake. If you want to insult us, just go straight to the point. Stop shaking. How can you tell me? Babu, sannan kuma ki zo ki ce mun water. Did you brainstorm? Did you brainstorm before coming to the public? Next time you want to come to the public, before you address or speak, ki je gidanki ki samu kujera ki zauna. Write down your sentences and brainstorm over them before coming to the public. Kar ki zo ki zubar da mutuncinki next time. Mu fa 'yan Kanawa, we no dey take nonsense. Ba ma son reni. As they hot, so they give you woto. Which one can be say they shoot bird, mama fly, live in Pekin. If you want to insult us, just insult us now, madam. You cannot come and tell me that I'm illiterate. Come again, come they tell me another thing. They give me another negative energy. I hope you learn from this. And let's say